site is 171538. Scope of work is microwave and run, and we are doing a PAT, video RSS video PAT, and the project is rollout step project, and today is January 11, 2024. The time is 11:14, and this is our site. Let me show you the full view of the tower. And this one is the tower view. And this one is the tower view, and this one is our antenna, and this one is the sector 3, and our antenna is our antenna installed at 24 meters. Here is our RF antenna, is 24 meters. This one is sector 3. And this one is our sector 2. This one is our sector 2, and our RF antenna is installed at 24 meter. And this one is our sector 1 antenna, and installed at 24 meters. And here we go to our microwave, and our microwave is installed at 36 meter antenna tower height, and this one is our microwave. And total view of the tower is, it looks like this, and our tower is 14 meter. And it looks like this. Here is our site, and no garbage related to our telecom. No garbage related to our telecom infrastructures. This is a full view of our equipment pad. Our equipment pad looks like this. And here is a cabinet, our rectifier cabinet, and this one is a front side view. Here is a front side view, and here is a right side view. This one is a right side view. Here is a left side view, and on the cabinet, no damage. Cabinet is in a good condition. Here let us see the rectifier cabinet anchor bolts. Let's see the anchor bolts. Let me show you the first one. This is the first one anchor bolt, and this is the second one anchor bolt, well tightened and fixed. Here is the third one. Let's open to the fourth. Here is the fourth one. Well tightened. Here also well tightened. This is our rectifier cabinet front door. This is our front door, and the rectifier is labeled site 705038 rectifier cabinet. This one is a full view of our rectifier cabinet, and it looks like this, a full view. And we have 4 batteries, and we have also 4 rectifier modules. Here 4 rectifier modules we have. And let's see about the battery detail. Here is positive and negative terminals, and here is battery 1, serial number, serial is this, and LAN cable is here, DC IP setting is here, here is a DIP setting, and here is grease applied for grounding and grounded. Here we come, battery 1 is grounded, and here is a fixing point 1, 2, 3 and 4 fixing point. Here is connect the second battery is here is a serial, and here is a connection, and here is a LAN cable, and here is a DCI-IP seating, and here is a grounding and grease applied, and the grounding come to the bus bar. Here is a fixing point 1, 2 fixing point, 3 fixing and 4 fixing point. Here is a third one, battery 3, and when you come to battery 3, and battery 3 is here, the serial number is here, and here is a LAN cable, here is a DCI-IP seating, here is a grounding and grease applied, and the grounding routing like this and connected here. Here is a fixing point, here is a fixing point, here is the third and fourth fixing point. Let's go to battery 4. Here is battery 4 and the serial. Battery 4 serial is look like this, and here is a LAN cable connection. Here is a DCI-IP seating, and here is grounding and grease applied, and the grounding cable comes like this and connected here. And here is a fixing point 1, 2, 3 and 4 fixing point. Here is a temperature sensor of battery. Let's go to our rectifier. Here is a first rectifier module. As you seen in the video, it is green. Here one is the second, here one is the third, and here is the fourth one, and their working condition is in a good condition. Here is light is working and working. Here is the socket and service socket and smoke sensor. Here is a breaker, AC breaker. AC breaker is opened on, and it's 63 ampere. Here is a service socket. Here is a service socket, and AC cables are labeled phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, and the neutral labeled. Here also closed. Here is a grounding point, and this grounding goes inside, and cabinet grounded, and here it comes to point this one. And here it come and labeled and grounded here, and our rectifier cabinet breakers. Here is the front view of the breaker. Here is the front view of priority and non-priority. Let's go start with the priority load. Here is the priority load, and our FCOB is connected with the sensor. Sensor is connected, and our FCOB is connected well, and the breaker is 32 ampere. Here is FP51 and FP52. Here is the sensors already connected with our cables, and as the non-priority load. When you come to the priority load, here is the priority load, and here is the router 10 ampere, and the router is connected and labeled, and the sensor also installed. Here is the microwave. Our UVT power is labeled with the direction, to 7050-25, and the breaker is on, and the sensor is connected as a priority load. Here it looks like this. And here is cabling. How our cabling is go like this, and here is our IF cable. IF cable also labeled. Let's show you the IF cable label with the direction. It's labeled by directions. Here is our IF cable. Here is our router, FCOB and FPFH cable, and the cable is dressed well. As you seen in the video, the cable is dressed well, and the cable entry point is closed. Here is a foam applied here from the right side, and here also our alarm cable labeled and connected well to the PSU. Let me show you our AC input as a controller. Here is our AC input as a controller, and 3 phase, and we are reading the voltage and the current as you seen in the video. Here is rectifier ground. This one is F ground for the links. Our links, this one is the main ground, and that one is another ground. So let's show you. This one is our IF cable, and our IF cable is grounded like this, and like this. AC power cable connection. Here is our AC power cable connection, and our AC power cable is not like this, and they go inside to rectifier, and the AC cable are here. We put in a pipe down, and it is underground, installed by underground. And here is a PVC, and we apply here a flexible conduit as you seen in the video. And here is the AC meter. Here is the AC meter, and our cable is connected, and the breaker is here is 32 ampere breaker, and labeled, and here is our connection. Here is our fan starters. Breaker is on. Here is our ACOC, looks like this, and this one is a front view of our ACOC. This one is the left view of our ACOC, and this one is the back view. This one is the back view, and this one is the right view of our ACOC. And here is the top side of FPKA, and well tightened and fixed. Here is downside of FPKA. Here is downside of FPK and well tightened. Here is how our anchor bolt and pole is mounted. The pole looks like this, and here we go. This one is the first anchor bolt, this one is the second anchor bolt, this one is the third anchor bolt, and this one is the fourth anchor bolt of our FCOB. And FCOB is well tightened, no shake, well tightened. Here is the door of our ACOC, and our ACOC is labeled. Here is labeled, and here our ACOC is locked, and lock condition is good, downside and upside. Our open view of our ACOC cabinet. This one is open view, and here is our AMIA. AMIA is well tightened from the upside. This one is upside AMIA, well tightened well. And here is a power connection, and here is acid power, negative acid power. Here is positive acid power, and here is SRAN negative and SRAN positive power. This one is SRAN positive power and SRAN negative power. And the label done as you seen on the video. And AVIA cards are fixed well. Here is the AVIA card, top side view, and here downside for the second AVIA, well tightened. Here when you come to the downside, AMIA is fixed well, and annual ports are covered. Here is our grounding, acid grounding. Here it looks like this. Here is router grounding. It go like this, and grounded, acid also grounded, power also, and here is fibers. Sector 1 HPMDB, Sector 2 PHPMDB, Sector 3 HPMDB, Sector 1 HGC port 1, Sector 2 HGC port 1, Sector 3 HGC port 1, and here Sector 1 HGC port 2, Sector 1, Sector 2 HGC port 2, Sector 3 HG3 port 3 already labeled. Here also our router labeled. Here is labeled router label. Here also router power labeled, and all cables are labeled. Here also our transmission, our link direction is 175038 to 171525. Azimuth is 149.97 and labeled. And here is a full view, and it looks like this. And here is downside. Here is closed, here also closed, here also closed. Here is Rotex, and it is closed and tightened by tie wrap, and the cable looks like this, and it go like this. And here FCOB grounded, alarm also grounded, and grease applied. Here is Rotex is closed, and the cable go like this, and the cable go like this, and they go to my rectifier cabinet. Here is grounding of FCOB and alarm. So let me show you our SOC grounding is labeled, grease applied, and it come like this, and connected here. Here is how our cabling started after the end of the clamp. And the cable will be go down like this with a flexible conduit, and here power and IF cable and fiber cable grounding separated, routed. And here is we have extra cable, 8 meters of AC and 8.5 meter of FPFH cables, each cables, and 7 meter of IF cable, and it is enough for future AC to DC expansion or upgraded, and it is enough. Here is cabling, and they're like this, and here also our fiber goes like this, and our cable tray also grounded. Here is a grounding point. Here is a loop grounding because we have L cable tray. Here is a loop, and main ground of cable tray is here. Here is a main grounding, and this cable is come to bus bar. Here after the clamp, cable goes like this and enter to the cable tray, and the cable tray is closed and well tightened and fixed well like this.